SuperFireworks company from Lviv. As everyone knows that 1 week ago, factories finished high temperature vacation and now resumed production. Some of the products already was ready before high vacation, so now factory need just put packages in it. High vacation, this is the best time for print packages, and when factory resume production, printed packages already saving on the warehouse. It was Elena from SuperFireworks. If you want to place order for the next season production, please contact me. My contact you can find in the titles. Be super!